Hey everyone, today we will work on IoT based temperature monitoring with email alerts. So what we'll do is we'll interface the MLX 90614 non-contact based IR temperature sensor with our Raspberry Pi, and since Raspberry Pi is a credit card size computer and capable of doing a lot of computational uh, programs and applications, so we'll use this. And then once the temperature exceeds a certain value which can be set as per our requirement, it will take a picture of that and it will send it to the email, which is register. So what you need is a memory card which is booted with a Raspbian OS, the sensor, some jumper wires, the camera module, and the Raspberry Pi itself. So let's get started. Booted up a Raspberry Pi, you need to know the IP of the Raspberry Pi from your router settings so that you can access it using the secure SSH terminal, logging into the Pi. Before getting started with the DIY of temperature monitoring, what you need to do is first you need to interface each of the modules individually, and then you can directly understand what exactly is done. So here we have just created some steps to do that on our website. The link will be mentioned in the description below. So first, before interfacing the sensor and the camera, you need to go to the settings and go to the interfacing options and enable the camera and the I2C bus so that you can access it, and then click on finish. Now since I have already done that, I won't be doing that. Now after that, I'll interface the sensor. You need to download the libraries and everything which will be mentioned in the description. Then I'll test. Now it works on I2C based protocol where the amount of intensity in the front of the sensor is directly proportional to the temperature. So it emits the energy and it gives the temperature with respect to that. So that is explained by the Stephen Boltzmann law, and it has the ability to give the ambient as well as the object temperature using the I2C. So we'll see what connections we need to do is the SD and SCL in the Raspberry Pi. As mentioned over here, the circuit diagram will be mentioned. So since I have done the connections, I'll just test the code. So as you can see, have placed my hand in front of the sensor and the object temperature changes. So this is how the sensor works. Now moving on with the email part, what you need to understand over here is before getting into the installing the SMTP server and sending the mail from your Raspberry Pi. Now the Gmail, it works for Gmail and it doesn't allow any Python script to send the email. So first you need to go to your settings and then go to your settings from here, go to security and give the access to less secure apps, where I have given the access over here. This will allow you to send the data from any Python script to your Gmail. Now if your account is a two-step verified account, you need to remove that, then you will able to get, or else you will get an authorization failure from your script. So before to avoid that, you need to, I created a fresh account so that I don't face any of the issues. So here what we will do is we'll just set a maximum value of the temperature, and if it exceeds that, we'll take a image of the person standing right in front of that and send it to the Gmail. So I'll just run the code. It will read the data as you can see, and once it exceeds, it will click the picture, store it in your Raspberry Pi with date and time, and then it will send it to your Gmail. So let's go and check to our Gmail. So here we have a picture. So as you can see, we have a picture. I have just not placed my face in front of the camera. That's the reason we are getting this. So this is how you can interface a sensor and create a temperature monitoring alerts. So this is how you can interface, and so I hope you have understood this video. The detailed explanation will be mentioned on our website, so make sure you visit it. Thank you.